Hi, my name is Luca, and in this video we will make a bass test between the JBL Partybox 320 versus the JBL Partybox 520. We all know that the JBL Partybox 320 has 240 watts of power that comes from two 6.5-inch woofers and two tweeters, while the JBL Partybox 520 has 400 watts of power that comes from two 7.5-inch woofers and two tweeters. So two 6.5-inch woofers, two 7.5-inch woofers. We will see how much difference it is the power in bass between these two by making 4 different tests: a 50 Hz, 40 Hz, 30 Hz and 20 Hz flat tone, to see how low can this speaker get and how big it is the differences between the strength of the bass between these two speakers. So remember, the equalizer, it is flat and it is on first level of bass boost, so on deep bass. First will be the JBL Partybox 320 with the 50 Hz tone.
So let's put the decibel meter on DBC, and on the maximum value I have put the glass with straw there, and let's increase in power to see how much decibels we can get. The house is shaking, everything is shaking. Hundred 19.2 decibels on 50 Hz. Let's reset the decibel meter and put the 40 Hz flat. Look at the straws. Okay, 117.2, so it is with 2 decibels less. On 30 Hz only 110.9, and on 20 Hz, let's see, it is very weak, very weak. 84, nothing. So 84.6 dBc. And now let's switch to the JBL Partybox 520, and let's start with the 50 Hz. Hundred 20.9 dBc. As you see, the placement of the decibel meter, it is exactly the same as the placement on the JBL Partybox 320. A 120.4. 30 Hz 115 dBc, and we can definitely tell that it is a lot stronger than the JBL Partybox 320. And the 20 Hz, let's reset the decibel meter, put it on dBc on the maximum value. Let's see. Hundred 8.2.
We have the measurement, and it is very clearly which goes deeper in bass and which has stronger bass and by how much. So the JBL Partybox 320 on 50 Hz recorded a maximum peak of 119.2, while the JBL Partybox 520 recorded 120.9. That means the JBL Partybox 320 is with 2 decibels stronger than the smaller one. On 40 Hz, the JBL Partybox 320 reached 117.2, while the JBL Partybox 520 reached 120.4. So it is with 3.2 decibels stronger in bass than this. Of course, both of them shake the house, but this really shake the house. This shake the objects, but this can shake the floor. Now on 30 Hz, the JBL Partybox 320 barely reach 110.9. You can barely feel it, while the JBL Partybox 520 it is still very powerful at 30 Hz with the 115 dBc, and at 20 Hz the JBL Partybox 320 barely noticed some movement of the air. It reached 84.6, but it is almost zero, while on the JBL Partybox 520 it reached 108.2, and you can definitely know that it reached 20 Hz, but the bass it is not that strong. So take into account all of these measurements, we can definitely tell that the JBL Partybox 520 it is with probably 20 or 30% stronger in bass than the JBL Partybox 320. But don't get me wrong, one JBL Partybox 520 it is better than one JBL Partybox 320, but two JBL Partybox 320 it is better than only one JBL Partybox 520. So I will definitely recommend you to buy two speakers and put them in the opposite corners of the room, and that's why the sound will be much more immersive, much better, and the bass you can definitely feel it everywhere. So what is your opinion about these two speakers? Feel free to subscribe AudioTribe channel and please hit that like button. Cheers.